Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maria Home and Decor. Today I am going to share with you stylish scrapwood project ideas. These woodworking ideas will help you a lot to create cool stuff for your home. Try making shelves or cool decorations for your walls. It's fun and easy. You can make your home look amazing without spending a lot of money. Just use your imagination and have fun making cool stuff for your home. Transform scrapwood into stunning decor with these woodworking ASMR projects. I hope this video will help you a lot in choosing a better scrapwood project for your home interior decoration. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.